Welcome to our video about the flat Earth theory. In recent years, this theory has gained popularity among some people around the world, but is there really any scientific evidence to support it? In this video, we'll explore the history of the flat Earth theory, the evidence that supports the spherical shape of the Earth, and the claims of flat Earth believers. We'll analyze images of the Earth as seen from space, the theory of gravity, and other scientific evidence to determine whether the Earth is flat or spherical. So, get ready to dive into this fascinating discussion and discover the true shape of our planet. The theory of flat Earth is a controversial belief that asserts that the Earth is flat instead of spherical. Despite the majority of people and the scientific community believing that the Earth is a sphere, the flat Earth movement claims that the Earth is a flat disk, surrounded by a wall of ice called Antarctica. Proponents of the flat Earth theory argue that the idea that the Earth is spherical was fabricated by NASA and governments around the world to control the population and maintain power. They believe that most images of the Earth we see are fake and were created using computer graphics techniques. Instead, they argue that the Earth is flat and that the Sun and Moon orbit around it. The beliefs of flat earthers have been widely discredited by the scientific community, which asserts that the Earth is clearly spherical. The spherical shape of the Earth was discovered by the ancient Greeks over 2,000 years ago, and there is much evidence supporting this theory. For example, the shadows cast by the Earth during a lunar eclipse are curved, which can only be explained by the spherical shape of the planet. In addition, the gravity of the Earth causes objects like water and ships to appear to curve at the horizon. Flat Earth theory has been subject to much criticism and ridicule by the media and scientific community, who consider it a pseudoscientific movement. Many argue that the beliefs of flat earthers are based on conspiracy theories without evidence, and that the theory is an extreme example of science denial. While it is unlikely that the flat Earth theory will gain widespread acceptance, the movement continues to grow and attract followers around the world. This may be due to a variety of factors, such as the desire to belong to a group that opposes the establishment, the desire to challenge authority, and the search for meaning in a complex and constantly changing world. However, it is important to remember that science is based on evidence and careful observation of the natural world, and that unfounded beliefs have no place in the pursuit of knowledge. Defenders of the flat Earth theory present several theories and stories to support their beliefs. Some of them include NASA and other space agencies falsify images of the Earth. According to flat Earth defenders, most images of the Earth from space are fake. They claim that these images were created using computer graphics techniques to maintain the belief that the Earth is spherical. Gravity theory is a lie. Flat Earth defenders argue that the theory of gravity is a lie fabricated to support the idea that the Earth is spherical. They believe that the Earth is flat and that objects are attracted downwards due to other forces, such as air density and pressure. The Sun and Moon are closer than we think. According to flat Earth defenders, the Sun and Moon are much smaller and closer than conventional science claims. They argue that this explains the appearance of a larger Sun or Moon on the horizon. Antarctica is an ice wall that surrounds the world. Flat Earth defenders claim that Antarctica is an ice wall that surrounds the world. They believe that this explains why we cannot travel beyond Antarctica and return to the same point, as would be expected if the Earth were spherical. The Earth is the center of the universe. Some flat Earth defenders believe that the Earth is the center of the universe and that all planets, stars, and galaxies orbit around it. These theories and stories presented by flat Earth defenders are widely discredited by the scientific community. Conventional science shows clear evidence that the Earth is a sphere and that gravity is a real force. It is important to remember that science is based on evidence and careful observation of the natural world, and that belief in unfounded theories has no place in the pursuit of knowledge. Flat Earth theory is a conspiracy theory that claims the Earth is flat and all scientific evidence suggesting otherwise is false. While the idea of a flat Earth may seem absurd, flat Earth theory has gained popularity in recent years thanks to the spread of information on social media. Flat Earth supporters claim that the Earth is a flat disk surrounded by a wall of ice known as Antarctica. They argue that all images of the Earth from space are fake and that mainstream science is involved in a conspiracy to maintain the belief that the Earth is spherical. However, flat Earth theory has been widely discredited by the scientific community. Science shows that the Earth is a sphere, which is evidenced by astronomical observations, geological studies, and many other forms of research. Additionally, the theory of gravity explains why objects are pulled down toward the center of the Earth. Nevertheless, flat Earth theory still finds a captive audience in some online communities. Many flat Earth supporters argue that the theory is a way to question the authority and credibility of scientific institutions. They see the theory as a way to reject the supposed official truth in favor of their own beliefs. The history of flat Earth theory dates back to ancient times when many cultures believed that the Earth was flat. However, this idea was challenged by Greek philosophers such as Pythagoras and Plato, who argued that the Earth was spherical. They based their theory on the observation that the stars moved in different patterns in the sky depending on where you were on Earth, suggesting that the Earth was not flat but rather a sphere. The flat Earth theory resurfaced in the 19th century when some people began to question the truthfulness of images of the Earth taken from space. However, the theory remained in obscurity until the Internet era, when the spread of information became much easier. Currently, flat Earth theory has a large number of followers worldwide, including celebrities and public figures. Flat Earth supporters believe that there is a conspiracy to hide the truth about the shape of the Earth. They claim that NASA and other space agencies are involved in a conspiracy to maintain the belief that the Earth is spherical. They also argue that images of the Earth taken from space are fake and that empirical evidence, such as gravity, is an invention of conventional science. However, belief in conspiracy theories like flat Earth theory can have serious consequences. It can lead to a rejection of science and empirical evidence, which can harm informed decision-making on important issues such as public health and climate change. Additionally, the spread of false information and conspiracy theories can contribute to misinformation and division in society. In summary, flat Earth theory is a conspiracy theory that has been widely discredited by the scientific community. While some may see the theory as a way to question the authority of scientific institutions, belief in unfounded theories can have serious negative consequences. However, the majority of scientists agree that the Earth is a sphere, which is evidenced by a wide range of observations and scientific experiments. For example, the theory of gravity explains how objects are attracted downwards towards the center of the Earth, which is only possible if the Earth is spherical. In addition, images of the Earth taken from space have been captured by satellites and other advanced technologies and have been verified by numerous independent sources. In summary, while flat Earth theory may be a personal belief for some, empirical science proves that the Earth is a sphere. The propagation of conspiracy theories without scientific basis can have serious negative consequences, including public misinformation and denial of empirical evidence. As such, it is important for people to trust in science to make informed and accurate decisions. It's important to emphasize that many of the claims made by flat Earth advocates are based on personal beliefs rather than scientific evidence. However, here are some quotes from notable flat Earth advocates. I think the Earth is flat because all my research says it is flat. I don't believe in science that I can't prove. Shaquille O'Neal, former professional basketball player. NASA has historically been a very corrupt organization. They lied about landing on the moon, they lie about space in general, they lie about the shape of the Earth. Eric Dubay, author and flat Earth advocate. I think the Earth is flat. Why do you think all airplanes fly level? I've never seen an airplane flying with its nose pointed downward. B.O.B, rapper and flat Earth advocate. I'm looking for the truth, and the truth is that the Earth is flat. Mark Sargent, flat Earth advocate and author of the book Flat Earth Clues. Well, folks, we've come to the end of this video on flat Earth theory. I hope you've learned a bit more about this controversial theory and understood why empirical science proves that the Earth is spherical. Remember that many of the claims made by flat Earth supporters are based on personal beliefs rather than scientific evidence. Therefore, it's important to trust in science to make informed and accurate decisions. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments and give it a like. And of course, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to receive more content like this. Thank you for watching.